Howdy, I'm Adam, and this is my new fireplace and entertainment system. We had an old gas fireplace that needed to be replaced, so we replaced it with a electric fireplace. I designed and built a new wall to house the fireplace. There are storage compartments on either side of the fireplace to house various things like DVDs and speakers and whatnot. But the best part about this new wall is that when you push this little button on the wall, a TV appears. Now it's a fair-sized TV, so having it hide away in the wall was not easy. I had to make the frame come out from the wall to be able to rotate the TV without hitting the walls behind. Using the same mechanism that rotates the TV, a wooden door will raise up and hide underneath the mantle and exposing all the components behind. Hidden away under the steel reinforced mantle is some more speakers, some gaming systems, and the amplifier. The TV is mounted to a custom made frame that allows a little bit of pivoting from side to side. The wall is held in place with a large bolt on each side. Once these bolts are removed, the wall can slide out from the corner on some casters that are mounted underneath. With the wall slid out, you can get behind to manage cords and do maintenance and whatnot. The wall is quite heavy, so it's been braced at the floor and the ceiling using wheels. To prevent the wall from falling into the room, there's also a tether that's mounted on the back, and there's also counterweights installed at the back to move the center of gravity backwards, making it much more stable. Behind the wall is a mess of cables and components, but they can easily be accessed for maintenance and wiring. Now here's the mechanism that turns the TV over. It's an old garage door opener that I had. I had modified it by adding a second shaft for further reduction because I only needed it to move 180 degrees. That second shaft is chain driven to the main shaft that the TV is mounted to. Rotating that one main shaft does all the motion for both the wood door underneath the mantle and for flipping the TV. By using a linkage welded to that main shaft, I can control both functions. There's also an identical linkage setup on the non-drive end as well. The wall has an inner frame and an outer frame. The inner frame is what the TV is mounted to, and it slides out on sliding rails, 4 on each side. This is just a quick overview of the demolition and building the wall in place. And finally, here's a video of the TV flipping in and out. Now all I have to do is stain it. Thanks for watching.